I am Dr. Somir De. Here I am considering one important question for your better understanding. Okay. So, evaluate this integral, this where R is the region bounded by y is equals to x square and x is equals to y square. Okay. So write down here R is the region bounded by y is equals to x square and x is equals to y square. So in this double integration, region is very important factor. Okay. Now this is x, this is y. Okay. This is x is equals to y square and here it is y is equals to x square. Okay, and the point of intersection is 1, 1, that is A. Okay, this is origin 0, 0. Okay, now write down your given information. Let I is equals to over R y dx dy. Okay, now you should use your painting concept. Now draw a strip. Okay, just like a color brush, you want to color this area, this particular area. Then what you do, you can start from here to this place, or maybe that is left to right, right to left, up and down, both. Okay, any one direction you can consider. Here I am using from left to right. Suppose if I want to start from here, where to stop, it will decide from here. That means that is 1, 0. So if I start from here, color brush from 0 to this, that means you can cover all area. So that means this brush is moving along x-axis. Okay, along x-axis. So that means from this to that direction. That means that direction. Okay, from this to that. Okay, so along x-axis. So that's why I am writing x is equals to 0 to 1. This is the most important part. Is clear? So that means this brush is moving from 0 to 1. So that's why I'm writing x equals to 0 to 1. Second part. Now you stand on the x-axis. Just you are standing here. Now you check. In front of you there are two curves. One is this, another is that. Okay. Which one is close to you? This one. So I should write y is equals to x square as a lower limit, and that one is your upper limit. Y is equals to root x. Is it clear? Should I repeat? Okay, I can repeat, no problem. Double integration is all about the painting technique. Okay, suppose you want to color this cover area. So this is a color brush. This strip is nothing but a color brush. Suppose if you want to start from here to that place, so you can cover all area. So that means your brush is moving along x-axis. So that means your x is moving 0 to 1. So that's why I'm writing x equals to 0 to 1. Okay. And how to decide the y upper limit, lower limit? Very simple. Just you stand on x-axis. Just you check which curve is close to you. There are two curves you have, one, this and that. Which one is close to you? This information should be in lower limit. And which one is left? This will be the upper limit. Okay. Y dx dy. Clear? Now we have, I think you have a question in your mind. Which one should I integrate first? Now you check. There are two variables you have, x and y. Now tell me which one is associated with number. So here your x is associated with the number and y is associated with the variable. So I should integrate y at first and next x. Clear? So I should write x is equals to 0 to 1, y is equals to x squared 2, y is equals to root x, y dy is equals to dx. Is clear? Okay. X is equals to 0 to 1. Y integration is y square by 2. So please write y square by 2. Y is equals to x square. Y is equals to root x into dx is equals to x is equals to 0 to 1. If I substitute here, 1 by 2 is outside. X minus x to the power 4 into dx is equals to 1 by 2 integration of this. X means x square by 2 minus x to the power 5 by 2, 0 to 1, 1 by 2 5, and that is okay, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5 minus 0 minus 0, 1 by 2 is here, 10, 5 minus 2 is equals to 3 by 20. So this is all about the calculation of double integration. Okay.